The team of Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration has continued with our drive on the sale of biryani, which we have been receiving complaints. Today is the third day that we have come. We have also done the drive yesterday, and we still are finding few food business operators who are continuing the operations. Likewise, this place here, they were operating, the kitchen was unhygienic. We have asked them to close down, and we have also seen that they have converted some other spaces like staircases into kitchen. We have also got tremendous support from the Panchayat in pushing this drive, and we would request the Panchayat to support us further, especially in closing all these makeshift places which people have started under staircases on the footpaths. And with this continued support, I think in the next fortnight or so, we will make sure that all this area is sanitized of all these vendors operating illegally without having proper licenses from FDA, permissions from the Panchayat, as well as unhygienic conditions. Currently we have just started now, so this is just the third place that we have come. We are going to continue now and move towards the each side. The places that were done on the first day, we will recheck them, and if they are found operating again today, we will impose fine on those food business operators. Again, their equipment will be lifted with the support from the Panchayat. चालू केल्ले परते तेणे इमिडिएटली नेक्स्ट डे चालू केल्ले म्हणून अशें तुमच्याच माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां कळून आयिल्लें, आनी इमिडिएटली आमी टीम धाडून तेंचे काल कॉन्फिस्केट केल्ले. आयज थर्ड डे आमी परते व्हेरिफिकेशनाक वयता, आनी आयच्या दिसा जर कोणी ऑपरेशनल मेवलो जाल्यार आयज तेजेर आमी फायन घालतले. वी विल नॉट स्पेर देम दिस टायम. वी विल इम्पोज अ फायन ऑन दीस फूड बिजनेस ऑपरेटर्स. Onion, fried onion, none of these restaurants are making the fried onion. They are buying fried onion which is coming across the buses, which we used to also find when we were doing our drives at MAPSA. So once again we have found this huge quantity of fried onion without label. We have seized here in this shop, and again we want to appeal to food business operators not to use any food product without a label, and if found, we will book those cases. Also not to use newspaper as a food contact material. Once again we want to appeal to stop using newspaper as a food contact material.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.